Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Knuckles from the new Knuckles series. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Knuckles from the new series, let's begin with his eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back here. Next, we'll do that same thing. We'll go down and then bring it back, just going the other way. Now, right in the middle, we'll draw a little curved line. And then right here, we're just going to make this line go up and then down. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line down, and we'll do the same thing over here. Let's just curve this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up here, and then we'll bring this line out here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up. And then same thing here, down and then up. Then I'll make another one that I'm going to color in for the pupil. And we'll do that on each side. Now for the nose, let's draw a little line across. Then we'll make a line that goes down and up, and we'll just color that in. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to come down here. Then we're going to come over and up here. Then we'll just come down over to here, and then we just want to color this in. That way we can kind of see his teeth and his mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. I'm going to bring this up and right to here. Now for his eyebrows, let's just draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And same thing here, we're just going to curve up and down. And then right here, we're going to make a line that comes up on each side for the sides of his head. Now, starting here, let's make a big sad face shape. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve out here. And then we're going to bring this up. Same thing here, we're going to curve this out, kind of bring it in, and then up. Now, over here, let's make his famous Knuckles. So we're actually going to start the spike. So right about here, let's draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. And then let's make a little curve. Same thing here, we're going to go out, and then back, and then make a little curve. Right here, we're going to go down and then up a little bit. And then we'll go down and then up to here, and we're going to kind of curve it in. Let's curve this line right here. And then we're going to make this line go out. We're going to bring it around, and let's bring it right down to that spike. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then down right to here. Then for the arm, let's bring this line up and then in. And then this one, we're going to go up and then in again. Now let's draw the other hand down here. So let's start with the spikes again. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, then it's going to come back. Then we'll just curve it here. We'll go down and bring it back. And then just give it another curve. Now starting here, we're going to bring this line up. And we're just going to bring this around to here. Then I'm going to bring this up. And I'm going to curve this around to here. Now I'm going to bring this line around. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then in. Another one up and then in. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring the other line down here for that part of the body. Next, I'm going to bring this down a little farther. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then back here for his leg. I'm going to curve this. Then I'm going to bring this up and then in here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and back up. Then I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down to here. I'm going to curve this back and then bring it up to here. And then let's just draw a line that comes right around here. And then two lines right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring it down here. We'll curve it across. Then I'm going to bring this up and then into here. Then I'm going to bring this line up here. Make a line that curves around here. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it across and then up here. They'll make a line here and then a line right here. And we'll do a little line right across the bottom. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And then another line that's going to go down and up for the design on his chest. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll draw a line that's going to come down and up for his other spike. And then same thing here, we're going to go down, bring this down and up for his other spike. And there you go, there is your drawing of Knuckles from the new Knuckles series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.